In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create schedule in Jobber 2026, step by step. First, open Jobber in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left side panel. That sidebar is your main navigation. Find schedule there and click it to open your calendar. This is where all your work gets organized. Choose the date you want to schedule on. You can move through the calendar to the correct week and pick the specific day you need. Taking a moment to confirm the right day now will save you from rescheduling later. Next, select the time for the visit. Click directly on the time slot that matches when you want the work to start. Jobber will use that selection to pre-fill the appointment details so everything lines up. As soon as you pick a time, a pop-up window appears with your scheduling form. At the top, you'll see a field labeled New Job with a drop-down. Open that drop-down and choose what this schedule is for. Pick the option that best represents the work you're adding so it appears correctly on the calendar and in reports. Now connect the work to a client. Use the search box to find an existing client or enter details to create a new one. You can also search or add the service address. Make sure the location is accurate so your team knows exactly where to go. Give the schedule a clear title. Short and specific titles make it easy to scan the calendar, especially on busy days. Below that, add instructions. This is a great place to include scope notes, access details, or preparation reminders for your team. Keep it practical and avoid including any sensitive information. Add a line item to define what's being done. Select or type the service or product and include any relevant quantities or pricing. This helps align the work on the calendar with what will be reflected on estimates and invoices. Set the start date in the form. It should match the date you selected on the calendar, but you can adjust it here if needed. Then enter the duration to reflect how long the visit should take. Be realistic. Accurate durations help prevent overlap and keep your day running smoothly. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new schedule item will appear on the calendar at the date and time you chose. That's all it takes to create a schedule in Jobber. From opening the schedule view, choosing the date and time, filling in the job details, and saving your changes, you're ready to keep your team organized and your day on track.